Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be a Shyaway haul. So they have some amazing offers going on. So I picked up a bunch of things and I'm going to show you guys those. They have like really crazy offers going on. Let me tell you guys about the offers first and then we'll dig into what I picked up. So they have these amazing offers. Let me just read them out. So I'll also put them here on the screen. So there's a buy 2 get 3 offer on Rust. So this is such an amazing offer. So this is the reason I picked up a couple of basics, and also they have offers on other things as well, like sports bras and panties and everything else. So their offers keep changing. So this is the offer that's going on currently, but every month they have some amazing offers. And I also have a discount code for you guys. You can use Priyanka100 to get some discount. So the code will also be here and all the links will be in the description box. Now let's begin. I realized that I have a lot of new lingerie and I ended up not having anything black. So when you have like a lighter shades, then nude bra works really well, or like nude panties or like shorts also work really well for everything. But when you're wearing like a black dress, you can't really wear a nude bra, right? So I ended up getting these. And also there's been like work from home and office and like you're on and off. So I didn't want to get something with that underwire which is pokey. I wanted to get some basics. So this way there is some coverage. It's like a t-shirt bra and it's very soft. The fabric is really good and it's great for everyday use when you're working from home or when you're just lounging around or even when you're getting out. And if you want, you can even add like those removable pads inside them if you feel like this layer is not thick enough for you. But I wanted like everyday basics, so I got these. So they have this offer, right? When you get 2 you get 3 free. This is pretty amazing. So I ended up picking up a couple of these things. So yeah, this is the black one and you can see that there's no lines anywhere, which is what I prefer. Otherwise they end up showing on your clothes. If you're wearing t-shirts or if you're wearing any your kurtas or dresses for anything, just make sure that there's no lines here. That way it is seamless. And here also there is a little bit of thickness, so it will stand still, but at the same time there's no underwire. Your usual regular clasp and yeah, very soft fabric. If you're looking for comfortable everyday wear, then this is amazing. In the same thing I got a nude one as well. So it's the exact same thing, slightly different model, but again the same. Doesn't have any lines on the cups and no underwire. So basically gives a good fit, but also is very comfortable because there's nothing pokey. And this one's a detachable straps one, so you can use it that way as well. Your regular usual clasp. And also if you are a little confused about your size, then there's a size calculator also available on the website, so you can use that to determine your size in case you are a little confused as to what size fits you the best. So yeah, you can use the size calculator. And yeah, this is again your basic one, and black and nude are your basics and they sort of go with most of your outfits. So I got another one in black. This is sort of slightly lacy and different. This is slightly different from the previous one. It has a little bit of a lace detailing and a cute bow here. Again something basic but a little bit of a detailing, and here it doesn't have any underwire. Comfortable but also a little bit fancy because of the lace and pretty. This is similar to the black one. This is the next one. This is similar to the black one. It's the same model but it's a peach one. So I didn't want to get like a lot more of nudes, but peach is again something a little subtle, goes with a lot of outfits. And if you have like pastels also, it's good. And even if you have a little bit of your strap showing up, it won't look bad. So I kind of like these peachy ones, so like a little bit of a nice pastel color on it and a pop of color also. So this is again your basic. It's the same thing with no underwire and stretchable fabric, so you can wear it for your everyday use, very comfortable. You can wear it with your kurtas or you can even wear it with your t-shirts and everything. So because there's an offer, I went all in. So I wanted a black and a nude, but because there's an offer, I ended up getting more of these. This is also similar to the black one which I showed you guys and the peach one which I just showed you guys. Again, very soft fabric. It has like 2 layers of fabric, so it's basically like this. So it has enough thickness, and again there is no lines that will show up even if you wear like t-shirt fabric or like satins. And basically it's your regular everyday bra and very comfortable and soft, no underwire. and yeah, there's a lot of color options, and basically it's kind of sturdy here and nice. I have tried these on before, and they're very comfortable, so you can get your hands on these if you're looking for basic everyday wear. I got one more essential. So this is fashion tape. So I used to have this, I kind of misplaced it, or I've run out of it. So this is pretty great. So if you have like deeper necks, or if you have some minor adjustments, or if you have like a button which comes off, then this is great. So you can just add it, and it works great, and it keeps your dress in place or your top in place. So this works pretty well, and it's very handy, especially when you're getting ready for a party or like a wedding and you're in a hurry. If your blouse doesn't stay in place, or like you don't have time for alterations and you need quick fix, then this works great. So you should always have something like this in your wardrobe for sure. And see, I've seen these bra holders a lot, but I've never tried one. If you want your padded bras to stay right without getting folds and without changing the shape, but then these are great when you're traveling. So they're great for like when you're traveling, or even when you want to store something in your cupboard also. So yeah, it keeps the shape secure. You can fit a couple of them here, and when you're traveling you can use this. Looks really cute. There's a couple of options in this also. I ended up getting this. So that was our Shyaway haul, you guys. Hope you found this useful, and there's a lot of offers going on, so do check them out. They have offers site-wide, so yeah, do check them out. And you can use my discount code Priyanka100 on orders above 1000. You'll be getting 100 rupees off, and you can use it on like multiple orders. So make sure to use this code when you're placing your orders. And they also have COD available and a 15-day easy return or exchange policy. Again, that's amazing too. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys found this useful. Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what other videos you would like to watch. Before you go, do subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more hauls and a lot of other street shopping videos and styling videos coming up as well. And do find me on Instagram as well for like mini hauls and everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.